Okay, she's thicker than she looks. This is thicker than she looks. This is fine. We can do something with this. There's a lot of... Ooh, I want to stick that in my mouth. That looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my hand and I'm gonna roll it around. No, I'm gonna try and shape it so it looks like I piped this. Is this gonna stick to my hands? Dude, this is really thick. Is this supposed to be this thick? It's very viscous. Ew, why is the tip squishy? Oh, I'm not strong enough for this. And that is how babies are made.